What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is Reese, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute and easy custom color for your box braids. So let's go ahead and get started. So this hair was sent to me from a company called Levine on AliExpress. I will be sure to link them down below. So in total, I think I used like 4 packs. I really don't know. But in this video, I'm showing you guys how to do custom color, but definitely check the description box for all the details. So these are the 3 colors I got, 1B, 30, and 33. And the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and cut right next to the rubber band, and this is just going to split the hair in half. So after you do it to one color, you want to go ahead and do the exact same thing to all the other colors, and then you can just unbraid it, and this is how it'll look. This hair was super duper long. If I held it at the nape of my neck, it like went past my knee. But anyway, so I took a little bit from each pack, maybe like 1/4 of the pack, and now I'm gonna start making my custom color. So all you're gonna want to do is basically put all the colors on top of each other, and then you're going to split the hair in half, and you're literally just going to keep doing that over and over again until you get the desired amount of blending, I guess you would say. So as you can see, I'm just putting the hair on top and separating it. Then I'm taking this section, putting it back on top, separate. You're just gonna continue doing this over and over again, and you can do it as little or as much as you want. This one, I didn't do it as much. In the next clip, I'll show you the one where I blended more. So this one I blended way more, and as you can see, it's not so blotchy and it looks more, I don't know, like natural-ish. So yeah, that's how I got the color. And the last thing you're gonna do is go ahead and braid your hair. So I'm just gonna show you guys quick. I just put some liquid oil and cream, you know, the lock method, in my hair. And then after I went ahead and detangled it, I used some Vonte Silk Effects, and I just put that around the perimeter of my braid, and that's just gonna slick it down and make it look neater and easier to grab. So now I'm taking a section of hair, and you're gonna wanna separate the hair into 1/3 and 2/3, and then loop it together. Now this video, if you can't really catch on how to braid, I'll definitely link my other box braid video that's dedicated to box braiding specifically. I'll link it down below so that you can go and check that out and get a better view and feel and tutorial, I guess, on how you would box braid your hair. So then you're just going to continue to braid down. Here I am doing the last braid. You guys know, just braid all the way to the end, and this is how it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. Oh yeah, I forgot. So I'm showing you guys that I did my normal brick layering technique, where I never put one braid right on the top of the other. I always make sure to fill in the part from the layer below with the braid. So as you can see here, this braid goes right in between the 2 braids below it and covers that part. And I did that around my whole head, and that just makes for a fuller look for your braids, and so it's not so spacey. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. There's a loud freaking motorcycle in the background. But yeah, thank you guys so much once again, and I'll see you in the next one.